Now that the gyms are closed, there is only one thing that will keep you motivated: workout. But how to work out when you can't go to the gym? Stay tuned, because in this video we are going to do a full body workout using only one resistance band. Hello family, I'm Vivek and you're watching Fit Family TV. So today we are going to hit all the muscle groups in our body. The best part about this workout is that we don't need any door anchor. Just a simple basic resistance tube is enough. Make sure that you perform 2 sets per exercise, 10 to 15 repetitions each. So let's get started. The first muscle group is back, and the first exercise is seated rowing. For this you need to sit down with your legs extended, anchor the band with your feet and pull it towards your body. Make sure that your back is straight and strong all the time. Target your middle back by squeezing your shoulder blades together and keeping your chest out and upright. A couple of things to keep in mind here: don't round your back and don't move your body too much. Always do controlled movements and not very fast. If you want more resistance, you can tie the band around your feet, or you can hold the band closer to your feet. The next exercise is bent over rowing. This is a very good exercise for the back and increases the overall strength of the upper body. For this, stand up and put the band under your feet. You can use one foot or both the feet according to your strength level. Using both the feet will give you more resistance. As in the last exercise, keep your back straight and chest out. Pull the handles towards your body and always finish near your ribs and not near your shoulders or your lower back. The next muscle group is chest, and the first exercise here is push-ups. This is probably the best exercise for your chest. You may have been doing push-ups already, but today we add some resistance with the band. Hold the band shoulder width and keep it on your back. Now get into a push-up position and perform a push-up. The banded push-up gives you that extra resistance while you come up, and it is very effective in burning your chest muscles. And one more thing, you can increase the resistance if you hold the band closer. The next exercise that we are going to do is fly. Hold the band under your feet. You can choose the resistance according to your strength level. Again, you can use both the feet or one foot. Now pull the handle up and squeeze your chest. You can perform this with both the hands together or one by one alternatively. This is a very good exercise for your upper chest. And make sure to pause 1 second when you go up and come down very slow. The next body part is the shoulder, and the first exercise is shoulder press. Similar to the dumbbell movement, keep your hands at 90 degrees to your body and push them up, keeping your band under your feet. And if you want to increase the resistance, use both the feet to hold the band. Again, you can do this movement alternatively or both hands together. The next exercise is the side raise, and this mainly targets the anterior head, the front head of the shoulder. Arms at your side with the palms facing in. Stand straight. Raise both the arms together until your elbows reach shoulder height and your body is forming a T shape. And again, don't forget to pause for a second at the top. The next muscle group is the arms, and the first exercise is bicep curls. Hold your band under the foot and curl your biceps like you were holding a barbell rod. You can engage both your feet for more resistance or use one foot according to your strength level. You can perform this with both the hands together or one by one. To make it a little more difficult, stand with your back against the wall and touch your elbows on the wall and perform a strict bicep curl. But make sure that the elbows touch the wall all the time. The next exercise is concentration curls. This exercise targets the short head of your biceps. Keep the band under your foot with a short length. You can rest your elbow on your thigh or keep it hanging in the air. Curl your arm and hold it at the top for that extra contraction and bring it down very slowly. Do 10 to 15 repetitions of this exercise and then change your hand. Now it's turn for the triceps. The first exercise is the tricep push-ups or the close grip push-ups. As the name suggests, keep your hand closer than the chest push-ups. You can also make a diamond shape with your hands. Now hold the band around your back and perform the push-up. This gives you an extra resistance and is really effective to get your triceps pumped up. For the next exercise, keep the band under your foot and the elbow straight and near to your head. Stretch your hand and hold it for a second. Bring the hand down and repeat these movements with both the hands alternatively. The next and the main muscle group in your body is legs. And the first exercise is the squat. Squats are the king of all the exercises because they target almost all the muscles in your lower body. While doing a squat, make sure that your knees don't cross your toes and keep your back strong and straight. Don't hunch your back. You can do the squat in two ways. Either you can put the band under your feet and hold the handles in your hand, or you can put the handles in your feet and the band around your neck. Both will give the same effect. It's just a different variation of the squat. The next exercise is lunges. Hold the band under one foot. Keep the other foot behind and bend down. Make a 90-degree angle with your knee and get up. And perform 10 to 15 repetitions of this workout with both the legs one by one, alternatively. So this was the full body workout. Make sure that you're doing it at least 3 to 4 times in a week. And guys, do share this workout with your friends and family and help them. Like this workout, hit the like button with a bang. And if you're new to my channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to become the part of the family. I'm Vivek, you're watching Fit Family TV. You are the family.